listening to TKK 89.5 North Star FM Radio. Tatak K, radyo kaalamang pang-modular. Magaan na sa buhay, madali pa sa pag-aaral.
Good morning everyone, especially to our grade 5 learners. Happy learning this Tuesday! I'm so glad to have you in our science class on air. This is your host, Teacher Bien, and I'll be with you for every 10 minutes of your Tuesdays in the same hour for the whole quarter to give you the assistance you need for Science 5. Now grab your modules, pen and notebooks so we can start. Every second counts, so join me for another session of enhancing your understanding in science. So, let's get it on! For this week, the most essential learning competency is relate the ability of the material to block, absorb, or transmit light to its use. Light comes from different sources: electric bulb, fluorescent bulbs, burning candle, electric or gas stove, stars, and other forms of matter that emit light. The major source of light is the sun. The visible light from the sun travels in straight path through space. Some of this light is able to pass through Earth's atmosphere and reach the Earth's surface. When light hits an object, three things may happen. Light may be transmitted, reflected, or absorbed. Light transmitted when it passes through a materials easily. Different materials have different ways of transmitting light. Transmission of light is commonly observed in transparent materials. We need transparent things that can allow us to see clearly through them for many purposes. For example, spectacles and hand lenses are made transparent because we need to see clearly through them. Bulbs, lenses of camera, and screen of television, computers, and cell phones are transparent so light can transmit completely through them. Some materials do not let all light pass through. These are the translucent materials. A translucent material, like a frosted glass, allows only some of the light to pass through. The rest are scattered. This is why you cannot see what is behind a frosted glass or a translucent curtain. Some other materials do not transmit light at all. These materials are opaque. An opaque material either absorbs or reflects light. Opaque material do not allow light to pass through them. We use and see many opaque things every day. When light strikes an opaque material, like a wooden table, shadow of the object is formed instead. Now for the next task, try to identify if the following materials can transmit light. Write the word transmit if it can transmit, and leave it blank if it cannot. Number 1. Plastic bottle of mineral water. Number 2. Lens of the camera. Number 3. Eyeglasses of your grandmother. Number 4. Magnifying glass used in an investigation. And number 5. Clear water.
So there you have it. I know you'll do a lot of readings after this, but I don't worry much because with what you learned today, it will be easier for you to accomplish these tasks. Thanks for listening. So if you want to hear more and be guided with your lessons in Science 5, don't forget to tune in to our station, TKK 89.5 North Star FM Radio, Tatak K, Radyong Kaalamang Pangmodular, Magaan sa buhay, madali sa pag-aaral. Again, I am your teacher, your host for this hour, signing off. Hear from me again in our next episode.